Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the garage. We are looking at the Transalp in its almost finished state, and I have a little surprise for you. I will do a phase reveal right now. So, let's roll the intro. Alright, I'm CDA441. Yeah, I'm Asian, so who cares? But let's not step on anything at all. This is the Transalp. I choose this name because most of the parts are from AliExpress, like the levers, the I still need to get used to it. Looking in the camera, of course. But yeah, this is from AliExpress, this is from AliExpress. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but this is also from AliExpress, this is also from AliExpress, this is also from AliExpress. So you get the gist. It's all from AliExpress. Also, since I'm building the custom Supermoto tank, this is my welding job. It doesn't look quite nice, but hey, it does the job. It is a fuel tank and everything fits. Let's check it out here. Oops. Boom. That's the fuel cap right there. And also, since I want to make this thing street legal, I have bought this. It's a Koso EX02, I think. Yeah, what do you call it? Dashboard. I will put you guys right here, since I have everything on a tripod. We are actually quite prepared for this kind of shit. So I'll put this right here, and look at this. Boom. It works. Right turn signal. And also the HAL sensor needs to be adjusted a little bit, but whatever. I will do that when the bike is finished or something like that. Oops, forgot that I was wired in. But yeah, for the rest, Transalp looks amazing. Still needs to be painted, but everything fits alright. And also the headlight fits also. But yeah, I wired it wrong, so the normal headlight is actually, yeah, what do you call it? That's actually the high beams. But yeah, also look at this. Boom. That looks nice. So, a little bit more about the Transalp. Why do I do this? I wanted a Supermoto, but not any kind of Supermoto, something that can go longer ways and doesn't need that much of maintenance, or what you call it. And a Transalp is practically indestructible. It's a V2, so why not? And the other V-twin motorcycles or V-twin Supermotos you can find is only by Aprilia or KTM, and yeah, now we have a Honda too. So, a little more about the Ninja 650. It's my brother's bike. Let's check it out here. He still doesn't have his license yet, but his lessons are coming in the 7th of July, I think, of June. But yeah, that's that. And also we'll make a little tour to the VFR. Hasn't been ridden in a while, since the quarantine shit is still going on. But she looks great, and yeah, this is how she looks with the 8-spoker on. So I don't know if I still have to tell you guys something about this. Oh yeah, I'm still looking for an exhaust. I am thinking about GPR or Dominator, because those will fit perfectly in between the CRF 450 fairing. So yeah, that's that. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention that I have now braided brake lines from HAL, not from AliExpress, so that's that too, and those fit perfectly. So if you want to buy one of these for your bike, yeah, Hell Brake Lines is where it's at. I'm not sponsored, by the way, I paid everything myself, even though when it's tough times with Corona time. But hey, we're getting somewhere. Also the tank, I still need to show you this, but yeah, why not show you it right now? So you guys are on a tripod that I bought a long time ago, and I'm still learning to do this kind of face revealing yeah, thingy-majigs. So oh shit, so I'm still learning how to use this stupid tripod that always seems to fall on the ground. So I will remove these wires because we don't need them right now. I'll find a way to put these wires in one way or another, but it's quite easy to relocate them. And that's how the tank will fit. Oh yeah, if I can put these wires somewhere else. And as you might notice too, the bung for the seat also fits. So yeah, tank is still not bolted down, but I will try to do it right like this. Boom. And this one is locked in place. So I am right now busy with the tank cure, so it's still hardening inside. It's a 2-part epoxy. I'm still also not sponsored by them, but it's quite interesting because it fills pinholes, and my tank has a lot of pinholes because I forgot to clean the welding material. But yeah, it's not that serious. So for the rest, I don't know what I'm going to do next on the bike. Yeah, maybe you guys can tell me what I can do about this. We can still not ride it because I still have a new oil filter coming in. What do I still need to do? Oh yeah, I need to fill up the bike with new coolant. That's right around the corner, right here, somewhere in the darkest corner of the garage. It's also G12 Plus, like the VFR, because that's anti-corrosive for some kind of reason. And also the controls are from a DeVille, of course, and they work all perfectly. So that's quite the video. Still have some parts that we need to make and need to build and to paint, but for the rest, the Transalp is almost in the finishing run. So I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.